Hey everybody, this is Beau from the Local Losers. This is Ronnie and this is Jason. Jason is going to be our patriotic mullet man today. Look at these beautiful locks sticking out from under his helmet.
This is so great.
Yeah, he's got stars across his forehead and everything.
America.
We're here at Autobahn Raceway. We're here with Ted. Say Ted. We're going to do some driving today. We're going to race. Jason and Hesli have already gone out to where the track is. We're going to see if we can beat these fools into submission.
We got the losers. Gotta worry about him. Oh yeah! We're number 23. Hopefully that's the winning number. Here we go. Ted, now we're on to Beau.
Dude, my hands are killing me. That was ridiculous. Holy crap.
First race is over. It was a lot of fun. That's the track right there.
I'm pretty sure these things lie. They say that Ronnie was faster than me, but I don't feel that.
Let's see that. So I'm right there. Beau is slow. That's me because Beau's slow.
Dude.
So how do you feel about this, Beau? That's the first time I'm beating you out of the 3 times that we've gone and done this.
Smack. He's just a smack talker. I think this is the first time I've driven this track reverse, so I just little growing pains here and there. I'll come back.
All right, so let's talk to Ted and see how he felt about the race. What do you think, Ted? It's definitely fun. How do you feel about your times?
Could be better.
Could be better. Did you see something that you can improve on?
Just need to adjust my lines.
Your lines a little bit? Okay. What about braking points? That was my big problem, was braking points.
Less braking, more concentration on the line.
The mullet man, Jason, how was your race?
Terrible.
Terrible? Are you just saying that because the guy that came out on his lunch break in a shirt and tie beat you?
Why you gotta call me out?
The mullet says everything, folks. He's destined for greatness.
All right, guys, here we go. Beau's behind me because he's slow. We'll see how it goes from there. Race number 2. Trying to get a feel. play out. Oh, a little chicane right here. Into a hairpin. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a fun track. Should be pretty fast track too. No bumpy knees brakes.
So fast.
You and me, son. You and me.
Me and you?
Yep. I was way.
Me and you low.
Ted, nice. How was that? Super fun? Yeah, it was.
3/10 of a second behind you. I was trying to catch up so hard, dude.
There was a lot of traffic,
I
dude.
smashed into somebody right at the end on accident.
Race 2 was crazy. Beau takes the lead. Me and him were tied 1-1. Jason got second on that race. I got third. Not sure where Ted is at on here. Yeah, Ted got fifth place. That was a much harder race. A lot of traffic, really hard to just keep up with everybody and just trying to break through the traffic and running good lap times. It was a hard thing. But anyways, we're already ready to jump on race 3, so we got to get out of here. Takes the lead. First place, baby. So he's got 2 wins. I got 1 win. Ted got third this time. He's moved up quite a bit. Jason and Hesli are back there talking about what they did. All right, guys, that's the end of the day. 5 races. I was on top once. Beau, 4th.
Right on. Right
It's
on.
pretty
We knew
ridiculous.
this. We knew this already.
Yeah, every time we've done this, Beau has been the fastest out of everybody that's gone to any of these events. Beau's fast. I think it's his stature.
Takumi Fujiwara is my spirit animal. Jason's trying to cool guy us.
I'm debating my thoughts.
Ted, how was your karting experience?
It was fun. Want to do it some more? The body says
Did
no.
you feel fast? Did you feel super fast? Awesome. That's what matters. Did you feel fast and you had fun? Jason?
I feel like I went so fast, I have to poop.
Is there a brown streak on the track? All right, guys. Well, that's the end of go-karts. We're gonna go to lunch, get some grub, and then just head back home to Sierra Vista.
Always wear your safety belt.
Safety belts.
And it's hot in here. If you live in Arizona, move.
Don't move.
Jeez.